about you. Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm taking you along an after dark clean with me. We're getting started around 6:30 at night, so the sun is still out, but it won't be for long. Then I'm going to show you what we are cooking for dinner, and I'm also going to share with you a little Pamper night routine. I've got some new skincare that I've been using. I'm going to throw in my Dossier perfume, and we're just going to have a really cozy evening. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to get started in the living room. Say hello to Chloe. It is so hot today, so we have been pretty lazy, but I keep staring at this thing of clothes. So that is my biggest goal in the living room today, is to get all this laundry folded. Alright, so the living room is picked up now. We're going to get into the kitchen. A little reminder, there are just two of us, so our house is not your typical messy house, but this is messy to us because of the number of people living here. And we only have Miss Chloe, and she doesn't make much of a mess at all. So this is messy to us. Got some clutter on the table. Got clutter on the floor, and we've got some dishes to put away, just, you know, odds and ends that need to go somewhere else.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. Weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up. The brighter you're shining, the darker skies get. So used to be hiding behind your fears, but from my perspective, you got just what it takes. You're in control here, don't you forget. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you You fall and you break, you got changes to make now.
See the light at the end of the tunnel. It's right there now, just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. And baby, get up. No, don't just stay down. And lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get. So baby, get up. So baby, get up. Don't just stay down, down. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Baby, get up. See the light at the end of the tunnel. It's right there, and I just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up.
Alright, the kitchen is straightened up. This is pretty much how it looks on a regular basis after we've picked up everything. And now it is time to get the food going in the oven, and then I'm going to do my Pamper routine as dinner is cooking. Alright, it's much later in the evening. It is officially dark outside, and I'm getting dinner started. So we're having this adaptable meals, and this one is the garlic and herb boneless pork loin chops. So I'm going to put that in here for easy cleanup. I use aluminum foil. And then as for sides, we're going to have loaded baked mashed potatoes. These are really good. And then I'm going to do the no salt added corn. And that's what we're going to have. So super easy to do. And we really enjoy this meal. Now it's time for our Pamper night routine, and I'm starting off by showing y'all my Dossier perfumes that I got in the mail. The first one is the Gourmand White Flowers, which is inspired by Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, and the second one is Floral Odd Heights, which is inspired by Chanel number 5. So if you've never heard of Dossier, they make iconic scents that have no markup and are designer quality, just like the box says. They come in super pretty packaging, eco-friendly. Their company, by the way, is so nice, and just the vibes that they have going on, they just have really good energy. So I think y'all would definitely like Dossier. I love their mission and what they support, and I love how they have perfumes for everybody. So definitely check out their perfumes in the description box down below. I'll have their website link, but you can also shop their top 5 bestsellers at Walmart, which is so cool. So let me tell you, Inspired by Perfume from Dossier smells exactly like the designer brands. You cannot tell the difference. So the Floral Aldehydes, inspired by Chanel number 5, it has aldehydes, neroli, bergamot, ylang ylang, jasmine, rose, vetiver, sandalwood, and orris. And then the Gourmand White Flowers, inspired by Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, has bergamot, green tea, fresh berries, white flower, orchid rose, musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. So I love the combination of the sweet and the powdery scents. So these two go really good together. Yes, I put 2 perfumes on. I know you may not have ever seen that before, but if you're not doing it already, try it out. You can come up with some amazing combinations. So I really enjoy these perfumes. They're definitely going to be a staple for me. I've tried pretty much every perfume that Dossier has, and I do have my favorites. These are definitely, I would say, on the top 10. My most favorite of all is the Ambery Vanilla. Oh my gosh, y'all have to try that. And then I also like the Green Citrus Apple. So If you ever need recommendations on what Dossier perfume to use, let me know in the comments down below. I can hook you up. But of course, check out the description box for all that information. And I just wanted to thank Dossier for always being so generous and letting me share this perfume with you. And they also have home stuff, so definitely see that as well. But here's the skincare that I use. I was using the Native shampoo and conditioner for volume, and then I use the Neutrogena cleaning wipes for my face, and I use the L'Oreal Sublime Bronze for my self tanner. So once my shower routine, nighttime routine is done, dinner was ready to eat, and we just settled down and had a cozy evening, and I played my little Disney Dreamlight game. I just realized that it's considered cozy gaming, so if you need a cozy game, check that one out. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you then. Bye.
I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been